I guess Garrett's probably mad that he can't. I don't know. There we go.
I'll be doing that.
You come make me, boy. Excuse fucking me.